Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to try out the BH Cosmetics and It's My Ray Ray palette. I know this is not a new palette, but this is new to me. If you saw my last video, I hauled this for you guys and I really just wanted to try it out. So if you want to see how I got this look, please keep watching. So the first thing we're gonna do is bronze up my face. I prefer doing my face first and then my eyes, unless I'm going for a really smoky, dramatic looking eye. Then I do the eyes and then I do my face. But today we're just gonna work on the face first and then move on to the eyes. In case you see me looking this way, I do have a larger mirror. I'm trying out a different setup, so let me know if you guys like this background or if you prefer I go back to my older one. Okay, so we are going in with the It's My Ray Ray and BH Cosmetics, and this is what it looks like. This is the contour and highlighting side. I think I'm gonna try using this shade and just try warming up my face a little bit, and I'm just using a contour blush brush. So just gonna dip in a little bit. Oh, that's actually a really nice shade. It's very pigmented. You can see that right there. And I'm using the smallest amount and just tapping off the excess. I'm using the smallest amount. So this is what that looks like. I think the pigmentation is amazing. So I'm not gonna apply blush or highlighter yet. I haven't really decided fully on what look I'm gonna go for. Once my eyes are completed, then I'm just gonna go in with highlighter and figure out which shade I want to go for. But I think I want to do something a little more on the purplish side. So with her palette, there's a bunch of really nice purples. So I think I want to focus on these and maybe just add this into my crease. So I'm just going to use my Morphe M441 brush, and I'm going to apply a little bit of, let's apply a little bit of Pancake, which is that shade right here. I'm just going to apply this onto the crease. I think I want something a little warmer. So instead, let's go in with a little bit of spice. And these shadows are really pigmented. Let's bring that closer. So this isn't a tutorial, this is pretty much just testing this out, just seeing how this palette goes. I know it is an older palette, so there are tons of reviews, but this palette is new for me. So next color that we're gonna go in with, I think I'm going to add a little bit of a Friday. I'm using the same brush. So the next color we are going to apply is going to be Connie, and I'm using a Morphe M503 brush. Just taking a very small amount. I'm going to bring that a little lower. if you can see, I left the center part a little open because I'm gonna add a little bit of passion in the center. So I really want to see how the glitter, well, yeah, I guess the glitter shadows perform. So that's what it should look like right now. The colors are all blending in really nicely. Nothing is patchy at all. So I'm just gonna go in with a flatter brush and apply a little bit of passion right in that open area. This color is really pretty. So using Spice, I'm gonna apply that on my lower lash line with a blending E25 brush from Sigma, and I'm just gonna buff this out really well. So the next color I'm gonna apply is Friday. I'm using the same brush. This time I'm not bringing this color all the way in. I'm gonna stop it right, I'm gonna start right here. Now going in with Connie, I'm gonna use the same brush and I'm gonna bring this really, really tight. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe M506 brush. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna take a very small amount and just buff that really, really tight. For the inner tear duct, I'm gonna go in with the Radiant highlighter. It looks, oh, it's really pretty actually. It is a really nice champagne-y gold. So I think that'll be really nice with this look, and I'll use the same highlighter for my cheekbones. That's such a pretty highlight. I'm going to highlight my face, and I'm going to use the same highlighter, which was Radiant, and I'm using the Morphe M501 brush. Look how pretty that highlighter is. So I know I'm kind of all over the place with this video. I am going to finish up my face, and I'm going to use the Balm blush, and I believe this is called In Full Swing. It was a little sample that I got in one of my glam bags a little while back, and I'm just using the same brush I used to contour my face, and I'm just applying it in between the contour and the highlight. And I'm not bringing it all the way back, I'm just keeping it right in the apples of my cheek. So for my lips, I'm gonna do more of a nude shade since my eyes are pretty colorful. I'm gonna go in with the Morphe lip liner in Love Bite, and I'm going to apply More Creamer Please, which is a Dose of Color, Daisy, and Katie collab. So I'm gonna lighten up this lip a little bit with the Nicki Minaj pink print. So this is the completed look. Overall, I think this is an amazing palette. If you can still get your hands on it, I highly recommend it. It's about $22.50, and the colors are so pigmented. I wasn't sure if I was gonna like the highlighter. Normally I like more of a golder highlight, but this highlight was absolutely beautiful. It looks even better in person. On camera, it's not really picking up too much, but in person, trust me, it's really nice. And as far as the eyeshadows, I don't have anything negative to say about it. There was a little bit of kickback when dipping my brush into it, but you only need the smallest amount of product, and I didn't notice any fallout whatsoever. If you saw in the video, I didn't need to dust underneath my eyes, and I did use some pretty dark shades and some bright colors, so I was really surprisingly pleased with that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It wasn't a tutorial, I just wanted to try this out. If you want me to do a few other looks on my channel using this palette, just comment below, let me know, and I will get on that for you. So I will see you in my next video, and yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye.